Thousands attended this year's Goombay Summer Festival at Arawak Key in August to enjoy live performances by the best Bahamian artists. But it wasn't all about the Goombay beat. The down-home Bahamian food was also a hit. This year's festival must, fresh food from the rock oven.
We did some local roasted herb wings. Then we did a guava bread pudding. And then we did a flatbread. And now that the oven is coming down to temperature, we're going to bake 3 different types of bread. Coconut, plain, and raisin cinnamon bread.
Visitors lined up to catch a glimpse of this unique cooking method and were amazed by how tasty the food was.
We had a even mix of both locals and tourists coming through, and everybody pretty much wanted to know the history of using a rock oven and why we did it the way that we did, the wood that we used, and everything else. They now can come to this event and actually get a true taste of the Bahamas.
This year's Goombay Summer Festival came to a close after 4 exciting weeks of Goombay dancing, musical performances, eating of course, contests, and the famous Kids Corner. Tourism Director of Events Charity Ambrister was overwhelmed by the turnout.
I couldn't have asked for a better turnout tonight, and it really makes you feel good when you see the number of visitors interacting and trying all the foods and supporting our authentically Bahamian artists. It's just wonderful.
Next year's Goombay Summer Festival is expected to be bigger and better and even longer. The Ministry of Tourism is looking to extend the festival through the entire summer season. For the Tourism Today Network, I'm Nakia Christie.